What's up, guys? So this company called Sneak In-Game Energy, these guys right here, sent me a little care package with all their products and a nice shaker bottle to test out actually what their products do and to let you guys know what I think of their newest products. They're a really awesome company. They were very gracious with what they sent me. They're very nice, and I personally am just going to go ahead and spoiler alert, I actually love their product. But we're going to get right into what they sent me here, and I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it. So, let's go. So I want to first off preface this by saying that I never thought I would actually even try one of these type of energy companies or something like that. I mean, within my job, like being a video editor and being a gamer and stuff like that, of course I've drank energy drinks before. I'm sure all of you have too. I drink coffee pretty much every morning to stimulate my brain to make sure, you know, I got the wheels turning and everything like that. But, you know, if you're looking for a different alternative to, like, say, coffee or energy drinks that have a lot of sugar and a lot of things that are really bad for your body in them, this could be a really great option for you because, I mean, upon my research, I've noticed that this product here has 0 sugar in it, which is really awesome, and it only has additives that are supposed to stimulate your mental cognitive ability, which they say is supposed to help your focus and your reaction times when gaming. And honestly, I have to say, my personal use of it has demonstrated that. It's not overly stimulating like some pre-workouts I've taken before, you know, for the gym, where you're itchy or like your face feels like it's gonna, you know, melt off or something like that, if you guys know what I'm talking about, because they add so much stuff that is A, super caffeinated, or B, it's just some kind of additive that makes your body tingle and feel like you're about to, like, you know, break out of your skin. And like I said, these guys graciously sent me a really cool care package with a lot of their products, and I'm gonna go ahead and showcase them for you right now and kind of give you my opinions on each one. So let's go ahead and start with the shaker bottle they did sent me, which I really love. First of all, I like it because it's black and white, and as you can see, my desk setup and my chair, everything is black and white in here, so I'm not sure if they knew that and they sent me this or if this is just the one they make right now, but props to you guys, Sneak, for making the black and white color scheme because I really love it. The bottle, the thing I like the most about the bottle is the top, right here where the actual opening is that you drink out of. If you see, it's more like an oval shape rather than just a circle like most blender bottles have. I actually do like this a lot because if you're somebody like me who has bigger lips, the blender bottles sometimes don't, the regular circle doesn't fit right around my lips the right way, and I'll find myself dribbling down my mouth a lot, so I have to kind of like put my mouth on it a different way. It's kind of weird, I know it is, but as soon as I use this bottle and I put it to my lips, it like fits around my mouth perfectly, which, I mean, I know all sounds terrible, it sounds bad. Go ahead and make your jokes down in the comments right now, but I'm just trying to get this out of the way and say that it's more of a, you know, it's a better experience using this bottle, I have to say. And it does also come with a little, I don't know what you'd call that, a spreader in the top. So when it's, instead of like the shaker bottle balls that you get in there sometimes, it has this right here, so when you shake it up, it kind of mixes all your material around in there. And then, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this in the actual camera, but it does have a little, let me see if you guys can even see it. I'm not sure if you can even see it because it's white, but I'm trying to get the light to sheen on it real quick. If you see right, where is it at? Right there, there's little actual tick marks on the side of the bottle that have, I believe it has the metric system and the imperial system of the water level, so you can actually mix it correctly. One of the things I've seen in their comments a couple of times is that somebody has said that their flavors have tasted a bit funny, and it's mainly because I've noticed that because they say they did not do the mixture correctly. So something you definitely want to get right with this is to read the directions on the back of the bottles and actually just use about, I think it's about 10 milliliters of water or something like that, 10 to 15. So you only want to fill it about this much or this much right here with your actual Sneak mixture. If you put more, it'll actually water down the taste, and you won't get the flavor as much. It may just taste like watered down Fun Dip or something like that, which is a great segue onto the flavors, and I'm going to tell you what I think of each one right now. Alright, and on to my kind of review of like what the flavors are and what they taste like. So the Stealth was the first one I tried, and I was actually kind of really glad I did, because it kind of hit me as more of like an energy drink type taste slash maybe sour apple. So they don't really list what the actual taste is supposed to be on the Stealth Edition. It's just, you kind of just have to figure it out for yourself. You have to taste it. But I would say the Stealth Edition one is probably sour apple taste. So next, what they sent me is the blue raspberry flavored, and yes, it does taste like blue raspberry. It tastes like blue raspberry, kind of like mixed with like, it's like a fun dip, I think. It tastes like a candy blue raspberry is what my palate kind of got. So I actually really enjoy it. I usually, like with my BCAAs and my pre-workouts for the gym, I usually always get blue raspberry flavored. That's my go-to. And I was very, very happy to see that they had that flavor already, because that's just very easy for me. Not afraid of it at all. And I enjoy doing, this is probably my favorite one so far. And I really enjoy it a lot. And then the third flavor they sent me is their cherry bomb. I actually really do love this one too. It does taste like cherry. It tastes basically just like it's like a cherry soda or something like that. It's kind of crazy. Again, you have to try it for yourself to figure it out. But to me, it tastes like a cherry soda, and it's great. So I'm all in all very happy with the taste of the products. I love to drink them while I'm gaming or while I'm starting to work. And it is a great alternative to me just drinking coffee, because it's basically the exact same thing, just has a few more vitamins and minerals that promote my cognitive function, which I do notice get me through my workday and my morning a little bit. I mean, I wouldn't say better, but you know, just as well, if not maybe a little bit better than a cup of coffee would. Okay, so we have one of the bottles here. This is the Sneak Stealth Edition. This will be the first one. I'm just gonna go ahead and go over a couple of things that I notice on the bottle for you guys, just so you guys can kind of have an idea of what you're getting into. So on the back, it kind of just tells you that it's an in-game energy supplement. It'll say that it's a flavored vitamin, mineral, and amino acid food supplement with sweeteners. So I already take amino acids anyway, and BCAAs for the gym as well, like I said, with after my workouts, and that is basically for muscle recovery. But aminos are also helping your mental focus and your brain stimulation as well, and they do give you energy. So that's great to see that. And so it says right here, it'll say under sugar, 0, obviously, and then their focus amplifier has 1951 milligrams. Their hydration matrix has 1693 milligrams, and what's called their energy accelerator has 835 milligrams. So these are all things that I'm sure it's just their blends, and every single supplement company does this. They have a certain blend of everything they put in there, but going through the nutrition facts, they clearly label everything on all of their bottles, and I did not see anything on here that I would not normally find in my regular, like I said, my branched chain amino acids that I take, or my pre-workouts that I already take for the gym. So I was very confident in taking this. I always check before I put something in my body because I'm very health conscious, and there was nothing on here that drew a red flag that said, hey man, put that down, don't do it, or you're gonna have a heart attack. So there's nothing here that I wouldn't already find in some kind of supplement I would take for the gym. And going along with how awesome their marketing is, they also sent me a cool little sticker pack, which I haven't even opened yet, so I'll go ahead and open them for you right here on camera with you guys, because, you know, do it for the YouTube video. I care about you guys. We gotta let you guys know what's going on here. So let's go ahead and get these open, and we'll see what we got. These guys' marketing department, like I said, is really awesome. Check this thing out. Here's their main little guy, the bunny. So the next one they sent is this little guy right here, just their Sneak lettering logo right there. Pretty cool. And then it also includes the X that they have. And then the next one is right here, just the logo with all their bottles and everything like that. So all their stuff looks really cool. I can definitely tell that their marketing department has put a lot of thought into their company, and they obviously have put a lot of thought into their product, and they stand behind it because they are always on their social media. They are posting things every single day, and they are constantly trying to get feedback on their products, which is why they sent all this stuff to me to review for you guys, to let you guys know that it is a great product, and I really enjoy using it. And now that I'm affiliated with them, I'm really glad to be promoting their product, and I can't wait to see what you guys have to say about their products when you guys go ahead and try it. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a like. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about the product, or if you guys have any concerns about making a purchase or whatever. Just leave it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer it for you. And then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys can see what I put out next, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Later.